guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. After the video right now, we're gonna be unboxing some things I just got from Cabela's. If I sound bad, it's because I feel sick. My throat's kind of sore. Okay, it's gonna be like a small, like not that much stuff. Like right now, right here we got some 30-pound braided line, green. Put that up there. Like just doing a quick run over. We got 1/4 ounce chartreuse cheddar bait. Only 30 seconds deep into this video, but pretty sick. Dude, I have a ghost and I do not like it, dude. I can't wait till the sun comes out. Alright, and a lot of this stuff is gonna be for upcoming YouTube video. Like these speed shed, what are they? 3 inches? Pretty sure there should be 3 inches. 3 inches. 6 of them for 3 inches. Might have something to do with that up there. The A-rig, umbrella rig, Alabama rig, whatever you want to call it. And same with these. These might be for another one of those videos. We got some ripple shed power baits, 3 inches as well. We also have this it's kind of open right now, 25 pack of solid colored jig heads. Only because all the other ones are only 2 packs, and I'm just gonna use it on there because why not? Shouldn't really hurt me, right? Use those. You guys probably wonder where I got fishing line. Well, I also got a rod, and that rod is 7-foot medium heavy fast action rod. Fish Eagle. Never heard of them, but it's like a green. It's nice. 7 foot. It should be a swim bait rod. I told the guy, give me a swim bait rod, and he went over and he picked up some rods. You guys are probably wondering why I got a new rod. This video is going way too fast, so I'm gonna go in depth. Okay. So there might be a chance of me getting something. Oh, you can see on the screen. I might have got something back there. Oh wait, what pound line can I put in this? 8 to 17, but do I ever follow the rules? No. Alright, fine guys, you want to see? I'm trying to get this plastic off really fast so I can get all the plastic off this stupid rod. Okay, we have to find the freaking. I have like. Wait, what the heck is this? I have some line in here. Just have some 8-pound mono. What? It's on trout fishing or something? No, we're just gonna use a blade, so I'm not gonna show it because it's a big blade. As I shove it. That sharp as frick though, so I should be able to get this plastic off of that. And does it? Flick up. Flick up. Oh my gosh, why is it so hard to get up? There we go. I kind of jumped right there because I got scared. We're gonna get the other plastic piece off too for the handle. This might be a little slow right now because it's kind of hard to get this plastic off. Is that like a circle thing? Oh wait, what is this like thing? Is this like a book? I don't know. Okay, wait, did I take it all off? Alright, yes I did. Never mind, I did not. Still peeling this part off. Just peeling off the plastic right now. Peeling off the medium heavy. There's like a booklet thing right here. Does that just say Best Pro Shops? You know what your Cabela's? Didn't they like collab or something? That was unnecessary me hitting that, but just so eager to get this thing open. I'm kind of scared actually to use this rod. I mean, it's a $70 rod, one of my most expensive rods I have. Shut up. Alright. Only because I went off the Amazon and got those rods, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get this piece of paper thing out. What is it? Made in China, I know that. It says that 30 times. Okay, let's get this paper off. Is this supposed to come off? It's ripped. What is this garbage? It's still like wrapped around. Oh, we got it. What is this? Oh, limited warranty. Frick that trash. Oh, the rod is so much nicer with all the plastic off of it. Ugh. And then I actually see the handle. It's a cork handle. It's super light though. If I had to guess how much pound or ounces this is, probably 30 ounces. What it does say. No, it does not. I'm gonna guess it's like. It's not heavy at all. Alright, we're gonna put that down. My eyes are kind of hurting right now because of the light, but show them what's going on, alright? Okay, we're gonna open this box of this real fast. How the heck do I open this? Did I open it seriously from the bottom? I'm not showing you guys like anything, but did I open it from the bottom? Kind of dumb. Oh wait, it goes up. Wait, am I supposed to just like that? Is this supposed to be like so I could spool it? Is this supposed to be so you could put the line through like this hole? Oh, maybe that is. I'm just dumb and I just freaking taking that out. But the line's out. It's taped down. Alright, this is some green braid. We used to have dark green braid. Now we have some more. We have the orange braid up there, 15 pound. We have 30 pound braid now. So we could all, throw swim baits, down burrow rig. Still the heavy pound. I'm not gonna tell you guys any ideas because then. Okay, so now we're getting to my opinion, the best thing. Okay, shut up about my hair grip. My best thing out of this whole unboxing. You can already see it right there. Shimano SLX 150. I'm gonna open this baby up. Sheesh. Alright, when I open it up, I got some paper, it looks like. I don't know what those are. Let's take them down. Loosen. It's telling you how to, I didn't loosen it close. This like the gears and all that. Every component that puts it, oh my god, there's a lot of screws. Now for everybody is waiting for it, we have some lubricant for the gears, I'm guessing, probably. This box is sick, I'm keeping it. You know what, I'm gonna put it there right now. I'll put my first mystery tackle boxes and then a random JBL speaker. Well, that's kind of awkward. Can this even fit here? Are you kidding me? There we go. Got the Shimano up there. Yeah, we actually didn't get the real loose spot the box. I just did to bait you guys. I'm joking. It's right here, dumb. I'm handling right now. Sheesh. Why? Holding this wrong, am I? Dude, it feels so nice in my hand. First actual expensive reel. Thanks, my mom. Here's a word from our sponsor of the video. Mom, come on. Thanks, my mom, gave me all this, though. Sheesh. I don't even know how I'm supposed to show this off. Alright. Oh, wait, did I even... Which, Oh, dude, I didn't... Oh, wait, hold up. Hold the frickin' phone. What gear ratio did I give this? It doesn't say on it, does it? No, it does not. This is not telling me what gear ratio I got. Oh, frick, this is gonna be bad. We're gonna do this thing really fast. Yeah, I'm not looking through that. Let's just look through this one. Just says from on it. What? Oh, what the heck? Is this like a map or something? There's a lot of reading. Put that stuff in. Well, tell me what gear ratio. I didn't think I had to open up a map just to see what thing I had to. It tells you what it is. Okay. Just skimming through this, trying to look for the gear ratio, you know. That frick. It seriously does not tell me. Wait, what? All features. 3 ball bearings plus the roller ball bearing. Shimano super free system. Super stopper, anti-reverse, quick fire, clutch bar, casting system. Aluminum spool. Where's this thing? Does this come in the same thing over and over? Bro, did seriously not tell me what? Oh, let's look at the box. Where the heck did the box up there? This would be a lot easier if it just says on the box. Okay, let's see this. 6:3 to 1 gear ratio. Wait, 6:3 to 1. 6:3 to 1. I don't know how I feel about that, Chief. Because I'm pretty sure my flag marks up there is 6:4 to 1 or something. Maybe because it has a chip in it, so it might be better. We have it right here, and hopefully I don't take too much of your time. But we're gonna rig it up with this rod for right now. So I'm gonna start putting it on. Sheesh. Sheesh. Okay, let's put the line. We gotta rig up this line, so I'm kind of really stupid trying to put this on. Okay, ready? I'm gonna pause the video and start the line, and I'm gonna unpause it. I'll check in when this is completely spooled up. As of right now, I'm gonna switch you guys over to the little tripod that I have, so I can bring you guys outside, so we could cast this thing and see if it makes noise. Right now, I have it. Sorry if there's bad lighting, but I'm on the other tripod now, the little tiny one. Here's my other one. So yeah, we have it completely spooled up, and we just have a little weight on. It's on the new rod we have, and now we're gonna go outside and see if we can get the cast. I have to do a couple warm-up casts, and we should be good to go. Okay, we're outside. As you can tell, it's snowing and it's dark. This thing, turns out as I look at it, it does not have a mode like the other one I saw did, because he probably is more sensitive. So I cast it about twice. There's a car coming, so we're gonna get annoyed or whatever, interrupted. But I have to dial this in more. But as of right now, I have it falling pretty slow. And then as I get used to it, I'll make it go faster. I mean, I'm barely even throwing this thing. I'm like this, and it's just launching it, and it takes me 10 minutes to get back. As you can tell, there's a trail right there, unless you guys can see it. But I wonder if I should walk the trail and see how far I'm passing just with a little throw. Because it's probably to the tree, or past the tree. But we're gonna cast it and see if we hear that zing noise thing. That was a terrible cast, though. Terrible cast for me, but I want to see how far this thing went. Like, I barely lobbed that thing, and I don't even know where it went. Trying to look at it. Found it on the trail. But racing back. It looks like a little like squirrel or something going through. There we go. I heard it. We have this pretty dialed in where it's just over spooling a little bit, but no bird nest. I think I went over the fireplace. Right, I'm gonna walk these trails in a second and see how far. Oh, it was on the kayak right there. Don't ask me why my kayak's in the middle of the yard. I don't know either. Yeah, but we're just throwing this little weight. I mean, you could kind of hear, but once I get used to these, you guys will probably hear it a lot better. Like, if you don't hear it, you go, I mean, like, once I'm at the water and casting it, like, far, like, that, you'd probably hear it more. Alright, let's walk that track. Hopefully it's still recording, I don't know. Okay, but there's a track right here. You can see them. They're the 3 lines you see right now. In the middle of the screen. We're just going to walk those back. I'm not going to walk up the trail because And these are like not that good of casts. That I say. It looks like a sled went through here, but there's a line. Oh my god, did I almost hit this tree over here? You guys could still see it come up from my rod where it is. Oh, I can't see this anymore. Alright, so this one stopped right here because this one keeps going around here-ish. But then if we come through the other one, my other rod, or my other one went to here. And it's deep snow here. So not that far for a little cast that making, because it's dark and I do not want to walk that far. But if you guys enjoyed this video of me unboxing the Shimano SLX 150 and this swim bait rod, I should have another video up this week of the mystery tackle box unboxing. It's cold outside, can't wait to go inside. I got a new chatterbait because I lost my other two because, you know, I snagged them on rocks and I got angry and I pulled as fast as I could. And I have those 2 umbrella rig things I should be doing now. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Here's the reel again. This is now make an outro. Sorry for the background music, but see ya. Bye.